Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm base box and I'm feeling kind of proud. I remembered to look and see what I chose for my choice. I'm so excited. Let's get in here and see what I've got. Box from Boxycharm is $27.99. You will receive it monthly unless you choose to get their Luxe box too. And then if you get their Luxe box on the month you get Luxe, you will not get your base box. We have to get in here because mine will, it's almost, I don't know how much I can do before I show my address label. It won't stay closed. Something in here is big and it's not what I ordered. We open it up. That is what it looks like. You can tell it's their base box because it's the red one. We have our paperwork right on top, and the back will tell us everything that we need to know that is in here. And it is Be My Glamentine. How cute is that? And that's all my products. For your $27.99, you will generally get 5 products with up to a $175 value. They will all be full-sized. All right, digging into mine, I have Teemi Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. I actually have one of these open, so I am not going to open this so I can pass it along because I think I already have a backup one. I like this. I don't do clay masks as often because they do dry me out more, but in the summer, when you start feeling like you've taken the heat and the humidity one too many times for your face, I do use these probably even once a week in the summer, but that's about the only time I use clay masks. I can't really use them for sure. I can't use them in the winter. I liked this one. I actually, back when the channel was young, they sent me one of their masks and I said to them at the time, you guys need to know, I have super sensitive skin. This could go either way. And they said, fair enough, give it a try. If it doesn't work for you, we'll go from there. And I used it and I liked it. But like I said, I have one open, so I will pass this one along, but it says Teemi Blends Green Tea Detox Mask. It has a $29.99 value. This mineral-rich mask will be a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. Next out, I have Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray. I love a setting spray. I use these year-round for sure. The paperwork says Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. I thought, you know, I'm going blind, guys. I thought that makeup said monkey and I couldn't work out where you'd want to set your monkey. Anyway, infused with pea peptides rich in amino acids, Hydra Setting Spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized, and it has a $26 value. There's nothing on the ingredient list I can't use, so let's get in here. Actually, I'm really kind of warm. If this has a good mist, I might spritz my face and see what happens. Oh yeah, once you get it going, it's a nice mist. I can't smell anything. All right guys, I'm risking it. I am really warm up here today. I am taping a few videos and we are having, it's like 70 out there today. 30s yesterday, 30s tomorrow. Today, some rando 70. Oh, that's moist. I'm sorry if you don't love that word. It's not as fine on your face as it looks in the air. I'm sure it'll be fine. It will dry down. It will be lovely, I'm sure. But not quite as fine on your face as I thought. That said, it was cooling and refreshing, kind of like a hose would be. Okay, next out of the box, I don't have my glasses on. I have no idea what this is. Actually, I do. I think with that label, we got some lip balm before, so I think it's gonna be Ballet Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, that sounds fantastic. I love pineapple. When you take it out, that's what the top looks like, and then the sides. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. This super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. It is a new launch and it has a $23 value. What about that did not sound amazing? I can't wait till And now I have to go to the grocery store and buy a pineapple. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna put my hands down in there because I've done several boxes today, but oh, I could just sit here and deep breath that all day long. That is, you don't think about how calming fruit scents are, but that's really, it's calming. You know, I think probably, I'm gonna take a left turn here because I've kind of been doing Weight Watchers lately. I think that when you start craving something sweet and you want to eat something that's bad for you, you just need to get a really good piece of fruit. I know for all of you on keto, I'm not helpful, but I'm not on keto. And there is nothing in here I can't use, so yippee. I just lifted the little bit of bubble wrap that I had protecting my last two, and I'm sorry, I have two palettes. First is the one I did not pick, and it is the Wander Beauty Wanderess Escape eyeshadow palette. Let's open this up and see what the colors are. I have realized that I have a huge growing problem of too many palettes. So I have decided that to be welcomed into the club, they really have to offer something that I don't already have. That is what the front looks like, and it is gorgeous. It is very pretty. I like that a lot. Oh, it's really pretty. I think that this might have something I don't already have. Guys, it's so pretty. There's no plastic covering on it. Oh my gosh, I can't decide whether to use it or not. That is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? With that pop of blue, and I don't know how it's coming across, but this one is like super pinky. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it does have a plastic piece. I just found it on top. Oh goodness, I can't decide whether to use it or not. Okay, while I'm trying to decide, let's read about it, because the mature thing is to say it was very neutral. I have a lot of neutrals, but I really want to try it. It is the Wanderess Escape eyeshadow palette from Wander Beauty, featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture. So it's basically good for you. I think I have to have it. See, it offers something I don't already have. See, it fit the requirement. Rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease-proof for all-day wear. It has a $42 value. Hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. I mean, it's basically eyeshadow medicine. Yep, eyeshadow medicine. Let's just swatch a couple of them. Let's swatch this oh, wow. That is so creamy and picked up so gorgeous. I like that blue. It's got a little more of a glitter feel to it. Oh, this is another creamy one. This one's called Daydream. Those are gorgeous. This one up here is Santorini. It's just more of a shimmer than the others, but oh wow, guys. Oh my goodness. I am so glad I decided to try this. Those are beautiful. Love them. Those are gonna make such gorgeous eyes. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadow palette. We should try a couple of the matte. Oh, wow, they're so creamy. I was gonna say we should try a couple of the matte since they say it has hyaluronic acid and rosehip. They feel amazing, amazing. They're very neutral, but with those pops of color I just showed you, they are much more subtle. I actually can even see the lightest one. They are much more subtle than the pops of the satins and glittery ones, but I am super glad I decided to try this. Last out of the box, and this was my choice. I know that because I looked it up, and I would have thought that was my choice. Had I not looked it up, I would have been like, come on, we both know I chose the eyeshadow palette. It must not have been in choice. I chose the Ace Beauté Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. So this must have been up against skincare that I couldn't use or something, because highlighter palettes are not usually my first choice because I have some that I really like. So let's see. Oh, she's very pretty. I am not gonna swatch this. It is covered. It's got a little plastic cover on it, so I'm gonna leave it. Oops, falling. I'm gonna leave it covered. There we go. I'm gonna leave it covered so that I can pass this along if I want to. That is really pretty, but I do have some highlighters that I already like. By the way, see how white this one looks? It doesn't look like it on camera, but this is even whiter. I mean, this is such an incredible icy white. Wow. And I forgot to tell you what it says about that glow palette. It is the Ace Beauté Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. It has a $40 value, and it says that it's the Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. It says this highlighter palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. Okay, that's my base box. I have to tell you, coming on the heels of probably my favorite ever premium box, that one did pretty well too. The total value of my box is $160.99. The Teemi has the odd 99 cents. So for $27.99, that's what I received. And the two things that I am most drawn to are the Wander palette and that lip scrub. Oh my goodness. And just in those two, it's $65. Yeah, $65. So just those two products double the cost of the box. So I think it's another fantastic box from Boxycharm. I am totally thrilled. So that was my February Be My Glamentine. Let me know below what you received in your box for February. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That just lets you know when I have more videos coming out so you don't miss any of the fun stuff. And I will see you again really soon. Bye guys.